case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A legal dispute arose between Carrollsburg Square townhouse owners and the Carrollsburg Condominium Association over a parking easement. The townhouse owners had the right to park for free in an underground garage owned by the Condominium Association. However, the association sought to impose a maintenance fee and relocate access to the parking area. The trial court ruled in favor of the townhouse owners, ordering free access to the underground garage and the use of the lobbies and elevators for parking access. The Condominium Association appealed the decision, but the trial court denied the appeal. The court held that Carrollsburg Square townhouse owners had the right to free parking and access to the Carrollsburg Condominium's underground garage through an express easement. As a result, the Condominium Association couldn't impose a maintenance fee, and res judicata applied. A permanent injunction was ordered, granting free parking and garage access to the townhouse owners.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.